Okay, I'm going to tell you about the tomato plant. This is a beefsteak tomato and just regular cherry tomato. Both of them are growing like weeds out here in the full sun, and I'm really liking that. Really liking that. I'm about to put a stake in the ground here. It's a 2x4. I want to run it up. Same thing on this side of the raised bed. I'm going to drop in a 2x4 here, run it up, and then I want to put like a string trellis back and forth between them so that it can give these tomato plants some support for when they start producing. Now, they're self-pollinators. They need like a little bit of vibration, I suppose, right on the flowers to get the male part of the flower to pollinate the female part. So I'm just going to do this a little bit, see what happens, see if that actually works, and hopefully we get some tomatoes now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll keep you updated on what goes on here.